Hey everybody, this is Marco with M&R Printing Equipment, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do your basic day-to-day shutdown on your M&R Quatro. So the items that you're going to need are going to be some M&R Quatro clean, 2 foam tip swabs, 2 poly wipes, some type of small container like this little plastic cup, either your volume syringe, or you're going to go ahead and you're going to get like a little eyedropper tool that you use at the end of the day. So when you start this, what you're going to want to do is turn the heat off on your dryer, and you want to open up your dryer lid. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow the glycol to drain down towards all the drain tubes that are built inside the dryer. Next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to come over to my software and I'm going to press and hold the left arrow key, and that's going to move the print carriage all the way over to the left to the maintenance side of the machine. From there, I'm going to go ahead and put most of my effort into cleaning the capping station over here. The areas that I'm going to go ahead and focus on are going to be the wiper blades and the caps themselves, just making sure that I clean up any dry ink that may be built up on there. After that is completed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around to the other side of the machine to our maintenance side, and I'm just going to visually inspect the bottom of the print heads and the head plate itself. If they do need to be cleaned, I will address it at that point. If they look good, I am going to leave them alone for the night. I'm going to take my foam tip swab and I'm going to dip it into my cleaning solution that I have added to my plastic cup. This way I don't get any cross contamination. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to clean off my seal. I'm going to work on the wiper blade. It's okay if you get a little bit of ink everywhere, you can always wipe it up later. That's good there. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of pressure. Now I'm going to switch over and I'm going to use my second one for the colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and take one of my poly wipes and I'm just going to clean up everything. One thing that I'm also going to do is I'm going to take a look at my wiper blades, and I'm just going to make sure that they're still in good shape. They're sitting in the holders properly, and they're not bent, torn, broken, anything along those lines. All right, that's done there. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up my access door, and I'm just going to use the mirror finish. I'm just going to go through and I'm going to look at each individual print head. To me, everything looks good for our day-to-day, so I'm not going to have to go through and clean any of this. Now that we've gone through and we've cleaned the lifting pads or the caps, we've cleaned the wiper blades off, we've wiped everything down, we've gone through, we've done our visual inspection of the bottom of the head plate and the print heads, we're pretty much ready to wrap this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my syringe and I'm going to fill it with some of the Quatro Clean, and I'm going to put in about 3 milliliters of cleaning solution in each of the caps. That's going to be about halfway if you don't have a way to measure those things out. Once that is done, I'm going to come through here, I'm going to press X reset. That's going to bring the print carriage back home and home itself. Once that is done, I can go ahead, I can close my dryer lid down, turn the power off, close my printer lid, and then hit the red E-stop on top up here to go ahead and turn that off. Then at that point, you'll be done for the day. So if you need any more information, feel free to reach out to your dealer, your M&R representative, or you can go ahead and visit mrprint.com.